Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily enable or disable HDCR on your MSI G242L. So first we need to go over to the monitor settings. So as you guys can see, my hand on the right side of the screen, here is the button. It's almost at the bottom of the right side. And now here we need to go over to professional, and here we have the HDCR. As you guys can see, enabling it will affect MPRT and brightness, so it might look a bit glitchy on the camera, but as you guys can see, now it's enabled. And no, it doesn't, it was the MPRT that looked different. But as you guys can see here, we can enable it or disable it. Basically it will boost our brightness a bit. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.